Welcome to a new video episode on my fischertechnik robo interface, which is attached to an LED switch, small motor, active sonar, power motor and phototransistor. The robo interface itself has power by adapter, power by battery, memory selection, 2 flash and 1 random access memory, volatile memory, analog input, digital input and motor inputs, motor outputs. I'm sorry. Apart from that, an option to connect to an extension and serial input. For this project I am using Basic, which is intended to use with Windows. So since I'm using Linux for all my projects, I have to use Wine, Windows emulator, to compile for Basic. Last time I tried this one via different cables and that was not very nice. So although this is also not so nice, but it's the only way I could think of to avoid using a very thick cables that really fit in here. I tested this and this works. So let's go and see. And also apart from the serial cable, which I use for debugging, because if I use a print statement in my coder, it goes straight through this interface to a minicom serial terminal. And last time I also tried to use the scientific program Octave to get data, just like it displays in the serial terminal. Didn't go exactly like I liked it at first, but now the software needs some improvement. Anyway, let's upload and see whatever happens. Upload is now done. So I am pressing one button and then one light, 2 lights, and that's selecting random access memory. Press, now it starts. As you can see, that works, that works, and this should work as well. Very slowly. Although, question is, does it? And then with this torch. But the result of this you have to see on screen. So let's go to the screen and see whatever happens. Also, when I need to do a software update, for in case of this algorithm, I need to unplug the power and replug it. But that's a failure in the current routine. Anyway, up to software. Alright, so now the screen, window for uploading, window for compiling, minicom serial terminal, encoder, obviously the camera, and Octave, which does it do as well, but that needs some improvement. So, to show that the phototransistor, which is right here, actually does its job, I will shine on it and then you see phototransistor, which proves that it does work. But what I want to see as well is distance smaller than 5 centimeters. And to be honest, I don't really see that one. Not at all even. So let's put the ruler in place. And this is definitely smaller than 5 centimeters. And I have to take the 2 centimeters into account because that is the minimum reliable distance of this sonar. But it obviously doesn't do anything. Alright. Other thing is, why does it say? Oh, now I notice it is not a dirty screen, but it is a typo I made right here. That is better. Not disappeared from output, by the way, just from the coder. And I have to recompile and upload again. Apart from that, let's see for Octave now. So I have to leave minicom for now and start this program. This program is loading instrument control, which is necessary to read from the serial interface. Clear anything, then setting the serial interface to the physical interface as well as the speed, baud rate. Then reading the data, 100 bytes, and that was covered last time. How many bytes would you read? 100 is nice, but yeah, this one can go. Displaying data is displaying the raw data in bytes, which is ASCII code. Doesn't mean a thing if you don't read ASCII, but with character you actually convert them to the readable text. So this one can go. Then run, which should be working. Yep. And there it is, and it stops because these are 100 characters. This is really 100, and I'm not just talking about the letters but also the spaces, larger than, etc. So yes, that is 100. 100 bytes. So, how many times do you want to do it? That's a very good one. I think about a while through, so that goes on and on and on. But that is anyway one thing. Up to the next challenge. Right, two things. First of all, I have changed the algorithm a bit so that this is nicely indented, and I have added almost the same thing to distance smaller than 5 with respect to slightly different print number. I've uploaded it, compiled it, uploaded it. I've also changed the code in Octave a bit, not tested yet, but while through, and then read 10 bytes, but then you go on and on, so that should be alright. But on the other hand, what I don't like is that it keeps running this one and it gets stuck in a loop. So, how can that be? Right, it's uploaded, the new thing. It should be working. Press then and then I should be able to see something. Yeah, no phototransistor for larger. Also, I should be able to press this and that the algorithm starts again, which obviously doesn't happen. So, again, somewhere here, and it should change. Doesn't happen either. Hopefully this does work. Yep, that one does work. Alright. Then stopping this one because I have to release the port. Then starting the code here. And that, okay, and that's something I don't like, because this means that I can't see it live, and I want to see it live, but clearly it does work. So how can I see the output while it's running? I have to find that out. In my other project where I use Octave, I also have to wait now for it to end before I see any detail. But at least the while does work. That's good to know. But yes, I have to enter. I have to interrupt. So. Now the question is, why does it keep stuck in this algorithm? Because I don't remember that happened last time. Quite annoying. But how to solve it? And somehow code never ceases to amaze me. In the basic code, I tried to directly print the value of the distance, and I now see that I made a slight mistake. I need this one to have, which I did do correctly here, but I got a syntax error message while compiling. I tried to print analog D1 directly. It said I couldn't do that. So now let's see if this compiles correctly. I do hope so. No kidding. And now it says it is alright. Let's see if that has the correct time. Yes, it does. Now it crashes for some reason and it shows me exactly what's going on. No code problem. So now it should be able to print the distance before going into the while loop. Same as here. With Octave, I found the solution in a command flush standard output. And yes, that does work. The only thing is that you get a rather strange output in the sense of cut off words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ouch, wait, 10. So if I extend this to 100, or how long should it be? Let's say 20. Does that run? Let's try that one. So I will once again, did I upload? That's a good one. I do not think so. Upload anyway. Yeah, right now I'm sure it's uploaded. And I will select the proper memory again. Go. Alright, so let's see whatever happens here. And I need to run the program, obviously. Alright, that is not quite the way I envisioned. It lets out characters. I don't like that. So I am shining on the transistor now. This reminds me of an old project I did where I had missing characters over a serial interface as well. But that was not with the fischertechnik global interface, that was with an Arduino. No, that was with a Raspberry Pi. Over serial interface, missing characters. And this is the same thing, apparently. So let's quit this one. Go to minicom. Oh wait, that may be the culprit. Leave and go again. Oh, that is interesting. So what happens if I start both? Never had that idea. Really? So you just don't ask for. That is not intended. You see the garbage. You definitely see the garbage here. Yes. But do I see the distance? That is important. Holding my hand in front of the sonar. Do I see something happen? Smaller than? I have to start over, I think. So I cancel this one. Re-enter. Okay, it has gone into the endless loop, so I have to re-upload again and see if I can find that value. Why doesn't it break? Because I really hold my hand 2 centimeters in front of the sonar, 3 centimeters now. So the while loop is not working. This is strange. Stranger is even that last time I had exactly the same thing. It ended in a while loop. I had to reverse. I had to change the location of this while loop. This was earlier than this one. So the larger than was here. Exactly the same problem. I changed the sequence and the problem stopped. which is now back. So why does it happen anyway? Ouch. Alright, now I have put here with a semicolon the distance here, sonar large, and what happens is that I see small motor that is here, then sonar large. But what did happen was that I had my fingers here. Well, this is definitely not 11 centimeters. So, why does it do that? I have to stop and re-upload and see whatever happens again. So, oh yeah, this doesn't matter. I have to really quit. Alright. Now, re-upload. Okay. Now, start everything again. And then my fingers at 3. Oh, wait, of course, select the memory. Go. Press the button. Yeah. Sonar large is 4. Which is not true. Well, maybe a bit, but there is at 4. So let me put something at 3. I think that is best. Just an object, and I don't care what kind of object. Right. I take just a battery right here at 3. That should be noticeable. Or is it? But now I also notice that it is not in the middle, so I have to change that. Looking here, I can't be in the middle, so that may be a problem. So I am taking this apart for now. If I can, yes, of course I can. Alright, then I can be in the middle, and I put this at 3 centimeters. That's best. Yes, so start all over again. Power off. Power on. Good. Upload. Yes. Oh, I was too quick. Yes. That's good. So. Wait. Why doesn't this work? What has gone wrong now? This works, this is alright. The switch does work. Oh wait. That is the whole point, of course. By all means, select the software, select the memory. Press. sonar large 5. Well, it definitely isn't 5. But then again, let's stop. Let's stop here. 5 centimeters. So that is this point. But if it is 5, then it should take this part, not this one. So even though the battery is at 3 and previously it was at 11, which doesn't make sense. So that is not good. So what I have to do is change the algorithm that it prints it at more than one occasion. So copying these 3 lines and putting them here. And do exactly the same here. No. Yes. Although this has to be then small. But the idea is clear. I want to know what the actual value is. So let's once again try this. And with little time left, I put it in here as well. So now both while loops have for the sonar have the print value in them. Let's see. Yeah. And I of course have to look here. 4. Always 4. Is it 4? No, it is 3. So what can I do to solve this? An object. Flat object. Holding it in front. 5. No, I'm holding it at 3. 4. Okay, so it is maybe 1 centimeter off. But then still, let's hold it at 2. This doesn't make any sense. So now it is 5 indeed. 7. It says 6 while it is 5. 7 while it is 6. This is 7. Says 8. 3 again. Well, this is correct, 3. But now it says 4. And I really did not move it. So this is not quite reliable, to say the least. Okay. Now it would be nice if I could do it inside Octave as well again. So let's do that. Go. And of course that is not the same procedure. It's just reading the values of the program. Nothing wrong with that, by the way. just output. And here it says 6. 5. 6. Well, this really is not 6, it is 4. 6. Oh, come on. This doesn't make sense. So, this actually means that no matter what I do with this sonar 11, no, it doesn't make sense. This is not 11 not by a long shot. So that means that this whole stuff which is sonar dependent, is going crazy. Ouch. And with that very annoying conclusion about the sonar, I say thank you for watching. I am glad that at least this is working, and which is visible on screen, of course. Octave is working nicely now, but the algorithm, but mostly the sonar is not nice. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Leaving comments is most appreciated. Also appreciate if you show your appreciation and make a donation via either PayPal or Wired. Or you can also become a patron and have your name mentioned. All information about that, including my website, under this video. And on my website is much more information on donation, etc. For now, well, this is to be continued. Have a nice day and bye bye.